everybody, welcome back to Get Crafty.
Hello! My name is Sai.
I'm Melissa.
Yes. What we're doing today, Miss Ben?
We're making candles. Candles. Yes.
Part 2.
Yes.
I don't know how many versions of candles we're gonna do, but this is the second one. We got a list edition this time. So yes. Y'all did those at the same time. That was cool. But yes.
Yay.
So
Let's get started.
let's do it! Yes! Let's see, you wanna go first?
I did a Fruit Loops candle. Nice. Miss Zai here taught me how to do it. It smells delectable.
It does. I have a birthday cake candle, and it also smells heavenly. I got little blue little speckles in there, like a birthday cake. So yes, gonna do good craft to do with family and friends, children. If you're trying to do something wrong, get an adult, unless you're old enough. But other than that, make sure you have you some candle wax, some scents that goes with the candle that is made for candles to work, and all your utensils. Other than that, yeah, it was really beautiful. Other than that, we had fun. Yeah. We're gonna do it again, but we're gonna do it just wait for a second. Third version. But yes. Bye! Bye!
Welcome back to Get Crafty.
Hello!
It smells delectable.
It does.
I will be burning this, maybe. If I don't get smoked out.
Oh god. The way you said it, I will be burning this. I'm a little concerned. Just give me a slight headache because it's so loud. But it smells good. But yes. Guys, we'll bring that back. But yes. That video is gonna be a mess.